Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is a chilly one out here this morning. We got a little bit of wind going on this morning, which is making it a whole lot colder than it has been. It was supposed to be warmer today than yesterday. Well, I can't tell. I can't tell. With this wind, it is making it a lot colder. Got Domino out here playing. Good morning. Good morning. Midnight's over there. Enjoying it. As y'all can see, we are starting to have some snow melt. It melted pretty good yesterday. It got off the roofs. Still got some icicles hanging right there. It's still a little cold. You can see the wind blowing there with the flag. We're gonna go ahead and fire up the four-wheeler. We got a little trip that we need to make, and I'm gonna take you guys along. We actually got somebody on the property today that I have been waiting on. Probably gonna need to choke her a little bit this morning. Come on. A little gas. Come on. Come on, Betsy. Oh, I might have to give gas while I'm cranking. Hold on. Sound good. She's a little cold this morning. The other day it had snow all over it and fired right up. It's wanting to crank. She's just a little cold. Come on, Betsy. Well, I think the battery's dying. But looks like we're gonna have to charge the battery. This cold weather makes everything a little more difficult. But that's okay. We'll get her fire up. All right. You got her powered up. There we go. There we go. All right, while we let that warm up a little bit, we'll take a little look around here and see how's the snow melting's going. It's a beautiful day. If it wasn't windy, it'd be nice. Nice clear skies, sun shining. Oh yeah, you can see a whole lot of snow has melted. Still got a lot over here though. Whew. And that new bowl for the goats and the clips is working out amazing. Amazing. That and the battery charger that I got during this last little Arctic blast that we had, probably the two best things got going on. Look in the back of the truck, guys. Sneak peek video coming soon on this channel. Yeah, I've been waiting on that for a while. Finally showed up yesterday. There's one more box that goes with it, and I'm waiting on that. They said it's out for delivery today, so I should have that, and I should be able to start on that here real soon. Coco did finally get out the pen at 3 days. But as soon as the snow started melting, she's like, I'm out of here. Yeah, as you can see, the old water bowl's still frozen solid. But the heated one is working out great. What are you doing, Eclipse? Good morning. Good morning. Scared of the wire? Did you get bit this morning? Did you get bit this morning? You didn't eat all your food? You didn't eat all your breakfast this morning. You saving it for lunch? Huh? Oh, they play all day, guys. All day. Chief and Eclipse are like best friends. Even when all the other goats get out, Chief stays inside with Eclipse. What are you doing, Chief? What are you doing? You ain't having it this morning, are you, Chief? Y'all are funny. You are funny, Eclipse. Alright, the four-wheeler should be warmed up enough now. Let's head over there and take a ride. Whew, I need to put a jacket on. This wind when I get on that four-wheeler is going to break right through here. So I'll bring y'all back in a minute. I'm going to get a jacket. Alright, got a jacket on. That'll help cut the wind a little bit. Let's take a little ride. Show y'all what's going on the mountain today. I've been waiting on this. It's a big day here on Come On Mountain. Well, I don't see the truck. It's got to be back there somewhere. They might be parked down the hill. But today my neighbor has got a surveyor out here, and they are surveying the new property, getting it all staked off so they can write the legal description and everything so we can move forward with buying the property. So today it should be flagged off. I talked to the surveyor today. He came up to the house, let me know he was going to be out here. And he's back there in the woods somewhere right now pinning it. Look at those views, guys. As you can see, it's still very, very cold out. Hopefully it'll melt here soon. I thought I'd see the survey truck back here, but he might be on the road behind there working on that end now. But it's an exciting day, guys. We're getting one step closer to being able to finalize this deal here on the property. As soon as they get it surveyed and change the legal description of it and all of that, I'll be able to move forward with my bank, and I'll own that 10 acres. So exciting stuff. I hope everybody's having a great day today, guys. Hope you are staying warm. Do something nice for somebody today. Take another step closer to your goal. Yep, it's a good one. It's a cold one. So stay safe. Love every single one of y'all, but always, always keep it real. Come on.